7 Zulu 1 Alpha Victor, thank you very much. Khalid 5757 with me, I'm Giannis, okay? Roger, Roger, 58, and appreciated the contact. 73, all the best to Saudi Arabia. Masalama. Ciao, Sugar 51, Denmark, X-ray.
CQ Sierra 51, Delta X-ray, Sierra 51, Delta X-ray, standing by.
Kilo Delta.
CQ Sierra 51, Delta X-ray, Sierra 51, Delta X-ray, standing by. CQ Sierra 51, Delta X-ray, Sierra 51, Delta X-ray, standing by. CQ Sierra 51, Delta X-ray, Sierra 51, Delta X-ray, standing by.
AC6 Fox, thanks a lot to you. I give you about 5858 with me in Slovenia. I am Giannis, okay? Alpha Charlie 6 Fox 58. Thanks for California 55, confirm it. Thanks a lot, 73 Larry, see you later. Goodbye, I'm Sugar 51, Denmark, X-ray.
CQ Sierra 51, Delta X-ray, Sierra 51, Delta X-ray, standing by. CQ Sierra 51, Delta X-ray, Sierra 51, Delta X-ray, standing by. CQ Sierra 51, Delta X-ray, Sierra 51, Delta X-ray, standing by.
Mike 0 Radio Echo Quebec, thanks for England 5858 with me, I'm Giannis, okay? I'm fine, thank you very much. Sounds good in Slovenia. Best wishes and enjoy operating. Happy weekend. Goodbye. Goodbye, I'm Sugar 51, Denmark, X-ray. Sugar 51, Denmark, X-ray.
CQ Sierra 51, Delta X-ray, Sierra 51, Delta X-ray, standing by.
TF2 Lima Lima, nice to hear you, George. I give you 5x9 with me. Strong and good signal today from Iceland. And as you know, I'm Giannis, okay? Yeah, I know that, George. Your modulation is not perfect either on this side, but I don't blame you much. Anyway, thanks a lot for the report. 73 to Iceland, and enjoy operating the radio. See you later. See you over the band, and thank you. Sugar 51, David X-ray.
CQ Sierra 51, Delta X-ray, Sierra 51, Delta X-ray, standing by.
9 Hotel 1 Golf. 9 Hotel 1 Golf. Okay, Golf Whiskey QRP, thank you very much. Malta, I will give you 5757 with me. I am Giannis, okay? No, call me when you know the call. I am repeating my call every minute 3 times, and you still don't get it. So listen, you will get it. Sugar 51, Denmark X-ray, Sierra 51, Denmark X-ray, stateside.
CQ Sierra 51, Delta X-ray, Sierra 51, Delta X-ray, standing by.
Mike 7, Echo Mike Delta, thank you very much. To England, I give you 5x9 with me. Strong and nice, my name is Giannis, okay? Roger, Mark. Victor Mike Delta, that's okay. 5 and 9, as I said, sounds great, over. Oh, well, we did work at the start of the September and before that in July, so quite often for us, Mark. I'm fine. I'm perfect on the band and waiting for some good opening, but Americans doesn't come, so more or less average conditions are. I have 5-element monoband Yagi in your direction, Marco. That's fine, very good. Well, make a coffee for me too. I will be in your door in a couple of minutes. 73 is Mark, and appreciated the call. M7 Victor Mike Delta, regards from Slovenia. What was the question, Mark? Oh, no milk, no milk. We'll be okay.
CQDX. CQ 14 meters. CQDX. CQ 14. CQDX. Calling Italy, X-ray 1, Italy, X-ray Golf. India, X-ray 1, India, X-ray Guatemala. Looking for stateside North and Central America. Calling Italy, X-ray 1, Italy, X-ray Golf. I'm listening, over. Sì, ciao, grazie. Arrivo una bomba. Dammi l'indicativo, ho perso la penna. Ecco, sono fregato. L'ho trovata. Avanti. Ah, ok, prego. Ah, non c'è problema, dai. Va bene. Ma anche te arrivi bene, eh? 6, 5, 9 più 10. Perfetto, grazie per la chiamata. Ah, ok, perfetto. Sì, abbiamo visto prima che la propagazione si stava allungando. Ero qua prima con un amico nella mia zona, regione, quarantina di chilometri da casa mia, e abbiamo dovuto, lasciarci perché incominciavamo a non sentirci più. Ok, grazie di tutto, buona serata. Figurati di niente, ciao, grazie. Ammazza, è proprio lunga, Tu sei 10-15 dB sopra il 9, per cui molto forte, sento molto bene anche te, X1, XG, l'indicativo mio.
Ok, Alfa Zulu Kilo, Stefano Palermo. Ciao, buona continuazione, buoni 10.
Sì, ok, perfetto, Stefano IT9, Alfa Zulu Kilo. Ciao, grazie per la chiamata, buon fine settimana, tante belle cose, buona continuazione anche a te. Ciao, grazie. Ciao, grazie. Ok, CQDX, CQ40, CQ Delta X-ray, CQ40 meter, CQDX, CQ40, CQ Delta X-ray, calling Italy, X-ray 1, Italy, X-ray Golf, India, X-ray 1, India, X-ray Guatemala, Italy, X-ray 1, Italy, X-ray Golf, looking for the X, looking for stateside North and Central America, calling Italy, X-ray 1, Italy, X-ray Golf, and listening, over. Okay, let's...
Powell. And the larger line section of the feeder doesn't come straight down the aluminium pole, but I think it must have some interaction with it, because I had to shorten the ladder line quite a bit from the textbook length of the feeder, what it should have been, to get a decent impedance match, because I use this antenna for all bands 80 through to 10 meters, so it's not an ideal match anyway. The line joins the coax through a choke. The tuner will handle it now. So I like the antenna a lot more than what I did when I put it up, Andreas. Back to you.
Yeah, this is Delta Mike 1 Alpha Hotel. I noticed ZS6 BKW very good because I used it before I mounted this beam on the roof. I have in my garden this ZS6 antenna, and it was perfect for all bands from 40 meter to 6 meter. I'm happy with this, with the tuner, but I have one deficit on 80 meters because I don't can mount it correctly. I have to fold the 4 meter of the end of the antenna on both sides to 90 degrees. I have folded it, and the ladder line is not going straight down. It goes straight side by side. It goes straight to the roof because my antenna cable ends on the roof of the house. So it's not perfect situation for this antenna, and so I changed now for the beam, and I'm looking for another solution for the 80 meters. Maybe I have an folded end fed for the 80 meters later. I think I will care about this next 6 weeks before winter begins. So at 20 meters in the evening very quiet, and that's the 80 meter season here, and working in the hay. It's I don't like it before, but a few years ago I started working on a local relay tower. Sometimes, a few times every 2 or 3 years, I climb on this tower, and it's 50 meters high. I think round about must be 150 feet. And after this, I do this a few times, so I have no respect and no don't care about climbing 10 meters on a house roof. So I have no stress with go to the roof at the moment. I come back to you.
Okay, Andreas. Well, Andreas, I would have insisted on a parachute. Now, 150 feet, 50 meters, well, it's 50 meters, a bit more than 150, isn't it? I don't know. I certainly wouldn't do it now, couldn't do it now, Andreas, and when I was younger, I don't think I would have been very fond of doing it. I am 77 now, Andreas, 77 years old, and I have arthritis in one ankle, and every now and again it fails on me. So if I have to go up a ladder, you have to do it. But I'm always a bit wary of heights, always just in case my ankle goes. But there you go. It's part of the joys of getting older, Andreas. Some of the jobs you used to think, oh yeah, I've got to do that job. Getting older is an excuse not to do them anymore, Andreas. Back to you.
Yeah, okay. This is the thing. If you get older, and it's not anymore so nice to to do this with that. But there is if I build the map on the roof, the telescope map is 6 meter additional to the roof, and it's mounted by an 88-year-old man. He is the manufacturer of this mast, and this fabric is company is close to my location, half hour or something. And he comes himself and go to the roof, and at lunchtime we talked. He talked about Second World War. I asked him, sorry, how old are you? And he said 88. I don't believe this. But this is crazy. It's his job for last 50 years, and if they go to the roof, and the people who are 30 years younger than him, and show them how to work on roof. Welcome back to you.
Yeah, well, there you go. There are some people that can do it, Andreas, and some people that can't. And, I have no hesitation in admitting I'm someone that can't. Some years ago, I was talking to a guy on the radio, and we was talking about heights. And his job was a roofer. That's what he did for a living. And he said one day he got on a roof and he froze. He was just clinging on. And he said it took him about an hour to calm down. And, he managed to get off the roof. And he said it's never happened since. But, it can happen. So... Oh dear, if I go up a ladder, Andreas, it's 2 feet, 2 hands, and if I could cling on with my teeth, Andreas, I would do. Back to you.
Yeah, alright. Okay, so it's Germany, it's midnight at the moment. It's time to go sleeping for me. And I think it's time to end this QSO. And hopefully hear again the frequency next time.
Okay, Andreas. Well, thank you for the call and the nice conversation there. Look forward to the next time, Andreas. Delta Mike 1, Alpha Hotel, G0 LOL. I wish you a very good night, Andreas, and 73s to you.
Okay, same back to you, 73, and hope we hear again on the frequency. It is Delta Mike 1, Alpha Hotel, QRT.
Anybody else on frequency Golf 0 Lima Oscar Lima? CQ40, CQ40, CQ40. Golf 0 Lima Oscar Lima. Golf 0 Lima Oscar Lima. Calling CQ and listening. Right, someone I think is calling me. Just go again, please. You're not overly strong. Right, go again, sir. I think you're slightly off frequency to me. If I can bring you in, I will do. Just go again. No, nothing heard. CQ40, CQ40, CQ40. Golf 0 Lima Oscar Lima. Golf 0 Lima Oscar Lima. CQ, CQ. G0 LOL, calling CQ and standing by for any call. Right, who's Italy Uniform 1? Right, not too strong with me. I've got Italy Uniform 1 question mark, Romeo. Just give me a call a couple of times, please. No, I'm terribly sorry. You've just faded right out on me. Whether the band is changing between us, I'm not sure. But no copy at this time, I'm afraid. So thank you very much for the call. Try again another time, sir. Got you, right. That's a lot better. Italy Uniform 1, Tango Kilo Romeo, a lot stronger that time. And thank you very much for the call. My name is Chris, Charlie Hotel Radio India Sierra. My location is the city of Doncaster, and that is in South Yorkshire. Italy Uniform 1, Tango Kilo Radio, G0, LOL.